Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best pancake air compressors available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have CRAFTSMAN Pancake Air Compressor. The portable air compressor is proudly made in the USA with global materials in Jackson, Tennessee. It features an oil-free pump that's making it more durable and maintenance-free. Its durable, oil-free pump of the 6-gallon air compressor is made for long life and no maintenance. This 150 max PSI to ensure adequate cut-inch pressure for a variety of applications. And the 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI allows for quick compressor recovery time. At number 4 we have BOSTITCH Pancake Air Compressor. The portable air compressor has a long-life oil-free, maintenance-free pump for convenient use. The 78.5 dB rating is ideal for a quiet work environment. BOSTITCH high-efficiency motor of the 6-gallon air compressor is made for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application. BOSTITCH high-flow regulator and couplers to maximize air tool performance. At number 3 we have California Pancake Air Compressor. The California Air Tools Light and Quiet 1P1060S portable air compressor is designed to be one of the quietest air compressors in the industry, having only 56 decibels of sound. The 0.6 horsepower motor operates at only 1,680 RPM, creating less noise and less wear. The new IP Ultra Quiet and oil-free motor is a single piston pump design is engineered for high performance and durability. The 1.0-gallon steel air tank is lightweight, that making it very easy to transport. The air compressor has a oil-free single-piston pump designed to have a life cycle before wear of 3,000 plus hours compared to other comparable air compressors with life cycles of 250 hours or less. This air compressor is great for the garage and perfect for cleaning and inflating tires, beds, toys and sport balls. At number 2 we have BOSTITCH Pancake Air Compressor. It is ideal for a variety of finish applications. The 2-piece nailer and compressor combo kit. It includes a 6-gallon pancake compressor, 18 GA 2-inch brad nailer, a 2.5-inch 16 GA straight finish nailer and a 15 feet air hose. At number 1 we have Metabo Pancake Air Compressor. Metabo HPT is reinventing the job site compressor with the tank. With class-leading PSI and weighing only 41 pounds, this lightweight compressor packs more pressure into a smaller body. It is engineered with the power to run a framing, roofing or siding crew and versatile enough to run a team of 5 18-GA nailers at a time. The tank offers serious pros: a next-level compressor which provides the most demanding frame or no downtime while driving nails flush. The tank has the capacity and PSI to simultaneously run framing nailers or siding nailers or roofing nailers at the same rate of production as a traditional job site compressor. These tank rolls through the toughest job sites with the power and performance to get the job done.